Okay, so once a month or every 10 hours of use, we recommend you flush the boiler on your Lift Xtra. So first things first, take out the water from the water bottle. Okay, if you've got the filter installed, which I haven't got here, just hold on to the filter. So remove the water from the water bottle, and then lift up the flap, the rubber silicone flap, and then just use a flathead screwdriver and just undo the pressure cap, or the drain screw. Now do this when it's cold, okay? And just remove that, okay? Take that screw away. Make sure that the rubber washer is not perished inside there. If you need a rubber washer, give us a call. We'll send you one. Now to remove the water that's inside the boiler, just put it in the sink and tilt it. And it'll take a few minutes for that water to come out. So get that out. And at the same time, it's taking out the salt, the calcium, anything that may cause your iron to spit. So if you haven't done it for a while, please do. Put some fresh water in there with a funnel if you need to refill it again. But probably just once, doing it this way should be fine. It'll take a couple of minutes. I can just lift it up and just give it a shake. And it's a stainless steel tank on all the Laurastar Lift products, so you won't get any rust. You just get some calcium buildup from boiling the water. So once you've done that, all right, once every 10 hours of use or once a month, that's it. Put that back on. Lift the flap. Just screw that in. It doesn't need to be super tight. It just needs to be make a proper seal. So make sure that washer is intact. So once it grabs, just tighten it up, and that's sufficient, and you'll be fine for another month.